Do you want to add a member role in a WhatsApp group? You can add a WhatsApp group member tag with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a member role in a WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, tap on the group chat where you want to show your role. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open group info. Scroll down the list to the section labeled Members. Find your own name in the list. Tap on Add Member tag located directly under your name. A new screen will appear. From here, type the role you want to display, such as Manager, Treasurer, or Parent. Once you are done typing, tap the Save button. After that, your new role will appear next to your name in the group chat for everyone to see.